I'm discuss about that how to change your YouTube country, how to change your YouTube trending topics. Now here, this is trending topic for India. See this one. This option call here. This is all complete for Telugu and in that English is there. Now, if you changing my country, where? Just click here, location. I'm going to the US. Now you can check what are my trending topics. Go to trending. Is changing or both are same? India wise, US wise. This is a trending topic. If anybody asking for how to check YouTube trending topic for country wise, that is called change your location. Where? The select option for here. Suppose this is a new version. Old version, just click here, go to my channel, see this one. One is the old version, second will be new version. Click for here. Just come to footer, change your location. Where? In India. Now click this option, select by. Which one? India here. Select. Suppose you can changing for language. How to change your language here? See this one. Change your language. Is it clear? This is called change your country and the language for purpose of checking for YouTube trending. Suppose is asking question, how to check my US trending topic on YouTube? You can change it for country. Without change country, are checking for YouTube trending on US? We can't. So these are all based for country levels, not for the state wise, only for country. India, US, UK. Suppose I can go with this one. UK here. Click for trending. See here. These are the UK trending topic. Just go to footer. How to change my country? That is called here. Now click for India. Is it clear? This is called, you can change your YouTube trending topic, change your language wise. You can check your YouTube trending topic. If anybody asking question, how to check YouTube trending topic based on the countries, you can change your countries and language.